Sea Games. Hi guys, we're trying to open 2 packs of One Piece. What is this? First time.
Kopi lamin.
It's very tight, huh? Wow. NBA cards easier to open. But it's very tight. I can't open it. Sorry guys. Okay, thank you for waiting guys. So this is my first time opening One Piece cards. Who's this guy? Skilled. Utulian, Strausen, Papag, Mokha, Vagabond, Escola, Bushi, Jaguar, Mr. Hiroshi. We have Bartolomeo. Oh, we have Borsellino. And Carrot. Is this a good card? I don't know. Check guys. I don't know if this is a good card or not. But we have Carrot and Borsellino. Next. Okay, you need to put it here. NBA doesn't have this one as well. See, I don't even know how to open One Piece cards. Okay. Again, Papag again. We have Top Knot, Fisher Tiger, Smoker, Piscola, Cognac. Oh, Nico Robin, my favorite. Yusuf. Oh. What is this card? Megalo, and we have Sus, and we have different card guys. Who's this guy? Kobe. It's a good card. Okay guys, thank you.